Hi guys, here's a quick review on this TY 2000 Whiskers. I think this is a Schnauzer, I believe. I'm not too sure. I don't know what breed of dog this is. I think it's a Schnauzer. I don't know. I'm gonna go look it up what breed of dog this is when this video is up on YouTube. I'm not too sure, but anyways, let's get into the review. There he is like that. There's his tag of Whiskers, the dog plush. There it is. 2000 right there. Pretty cool. I love it. Whoop, too far. There he is like that. There he is in the back. And that side. There he is like this. Pretty cool. Let me show his tush tag. There's his tush tag. Whiskers. Pretty cool. Here's the back. Copyright 2000 Thai Ink PE pellets. Love it. There's his face. There's his little mustache right there. There's the eyes. There's the ears. Pretty cool. There's his tail. This is heavy. This one, there's lots of beans in here. It's pretty heavy. Anyways, there's the fur right there. So soft and silky. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And yes, I don't think this is even a German Shepherd. I think it's like some Terrier dog. Maybe it might be a Scottish Terrier. I have no clue what breed of dog this is. I don't know. But anyways, it looks pretty cool. The legs look pretty cool. That's what he looks like standing up. But he doesn't stand up that well. And that's it. Alright guys. That's the quick review on this TY 2000 Beanie Baby Whiskers, I think Scottish Terrier plush. Alright guys. Bye.